वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे मातरम् सुजलां सुफलां मलयज शीतलां सस्यश्यामलां मातरम् वन्दे मातरम् शुभ्रजोत्स्ना पुलकितयामिनीं पुल्लकुसुमिता द्रुमदलशोभिनीं सुहासिनीं सुमधुरभाषिणीं सुखदां वरदां मातरम् वन्दे मातरम्.
In some ways we are evil. Oh God, help us to see Annaman. In some ways we are good. Help us to be better. Recreate in us the soul of service, the spirit of peace and revenue in us, the sense of joy, the sense of power of God. Thank you.
हे शारदे मां, हे शारदे मां, अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे मां. हे शारदे मां, हे शारदे मां, अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे मां. तू ही है संगीत, तू ही है विद्या, हर पल तेरा रहे सारा. तू ही है संगीत, तू ही है विद्या, हर पल तेरा रहे सारा. हम हैं अकेले, हम हैं अधूरे, हम हैं अकेले, हम हैं अधूरे. अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे मां. हे शारदे मां, हे शारदे मां, अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे मां. तू ही है शक्ति, तू ही है पूजा, हमें शक्ति दे मां, हमें ज्ञान दे मां. तू ही है शक्ति, तू ही है पूजा, हमें शक्ति दे मां, हमें ज्ञान दे मां. हम हैं अकेले, हम हैं अधूरे, हम हैं अकेले, हम हैं अधूरे. अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे मां. हे शारदे मां, हे शारदे मां, अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे मां. तू ही है जगत की ज्योति दात्री, तेरे चरणों में रहे हम शरणों में. हमें ज्ञान दे मां, हमें ज्ञान दे मां. अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे मां. हे शारदे मां, हे शारदे मां, अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे मां. अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे मां. अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे मां. गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुदेवो महेश्वरः, गुरुः साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म, तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः. Guru is Brahma himself. He is Vishnu. He is Shiva. Guru is the supreme God and the absolute truth.
Good morning, everyone. Today I, Ashish and Amulya are here to take you through the assembly presented by Grade 9D.
Respecting our teachers has been a tradition in our country since times immemorial. With this knowledge, let us all offer our obeisance to our revered teachers on the occasion of Teachers' Day.
Now here is Aditya to recite a few verses from the Bhagavad Gita and to elucidate its essence.
Good morning, everyone. This is Aditya of class 9D, here to chant a verse from Bhagavad Gita and also to say its meaning. Chapter 4, verse 34. तद्वित्ति प्रणिपातेन परिप्रश्नेन सेवया उपदिक्षन्ति ते ज्ञानं ज्ञानिनस्तत्त्वदर्शिनः. Meaning, learn the truth by approaching a spiritual master. Inquire him with reverence and render service unto him. He is the only one who can impart knowledge into you because he has seen the truth. Thank you.
Next is Sohan to administer the pledge.
India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
A positive thought keeps us motivated throughout the day. So here is Varshini to present the thought of the day and to explain it.
Good morning everyone. I am Vijay Varshini, here to tell the thought of the day and to explain its meaning. A teacher is never a giver of truth. He is a pointer and a guide to the truth that each student must find for himself. And its meaning, a teacher is the one who studies the student individually and encourages the student to explore himself internally and externally until the student is ultimately integrated with his being. Thank you.
Thank you, Varshini.
Here are Sana and Sasmith to throw light on the topic.
Good morning to everyone. This is Sasmith Satyam and today I am going to speak on the topic Teachers' Day. Teachers have three loves: love of learning, love of learners and the love of bringing the first two loves together. In India, we celebrate 5th of September, birthday of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan as National Teachers' Day. Each country has its own day depending on the belief or customs. He was our first Vice President and also the second President of India. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was born in a Telugu-speaking Brahmin family in Tirupati in the erstwhile Madras Presidency. Sarvepalli was awarded scholarships throughout his academic life. He joined Warres College in Vellore for his high school education. Later he joined the Madras Christian College at the age of 17. He graduated from there in 1906 and also finished his masters from the same college. When some of his students and friends approached him and requested him to allow them to celebrate his birthday, he said, "Instead of celebrating my birthday separately, it would be my proud privilege if 5th September is observed as Teachers' Day." From then onwards, the 5th September has been observed as Teachers' Day in India. Teachers are some of the most unsung heroes we have.
Hello everyone, this is Sana Singh of 9th B. Teachers have always played an important role in all of our lives. The first reason would be that people who observe you closely know more about you than you yourself do. Having spent about 8 years in this school, I've had about 100 of them and seen them influencing what me and many of my classmates would be in near future. Be it in comforting students when they fail to reach expectations or identifying what they are truly capable of. Thousands of people who we consider successful and aspire to be have stated how much a particular teacher has meant to them and helped them in understanding their capabilities and shaping their careers. Celebrities like Oprah, Academy Award winning actor Eddie Redmayne, Vibhasa Basu and scientists like Stephen Hawking and Richard Feynman have credited their teachers to be the ones who helped them be what they became. A quote from celebrated theoretical physicist Sylvester James Gates. When I was a student at Jones High, my physics teacher wrote an equation on the blackboard and then performed a very simple experiment, rolling a ball down an inclined plane. He then told me that what I saw in front of my eyes was described by the mathematical equation he had written on the blackboard. This was and is the closest thing I've ever seen to magic. In the end, a sincere thanks to these great people.
Now, I would like to present a small bhajan on the occasion of Teachers' Day. Guru Mahima, Guru Mahima, Apara Mahima, Guru Mahima, Guru Mahima, Guru Mahima, Apara Mahima, Guru Mahima, Kim Vachaniyam Guru Mahima, Kim Avachaniyam Guru Mahima, Kim Vachaniyam Guru Mahima, Kim Avachaniyam Guru Mahima, गुरु महिमा अपार महिमा गुरु महिमा अपार महिमा गुरु महिमा अनुरणीयन गुरु महिमा महतोमणीयन गुरु महिमा अनुरणीयन गुरु महिमा महतोमणीयन गुरु महिमा अपार महिमा गुरु महिमा अपार महिमा गुरु महिमा.
Here are 4 of my friends who will be enthralling you with a scintillating dance number. Thank you, Srishti, Harshni, Akshaya, and Amantika.
This is Sarveshwar Nayak of class 9D, here to ask you all some GK questions. First, when is Teachers' Day celebrated in India? The answer is, it is celebrated on 5th of September. Second, when was first Teachers' Day celebrated? The answer is, it was first celebrated in the year 1962. Third, University Education Commission was formed in which year? The answer is, it was formed in the year 1948. Fourth, in whose honor is Teachers' Day celebrated? The answer is, it is celebrated in the honor of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Fifth, in which subject did Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan do his post-graduation? The answer is, subject of philosophy. Sixth, who said that teaching is not a profession, it's a way of life? This was said by Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
As we come to the end of the assembly, I request you all to please stand in attention for the national anthem presented by Anjali. Thank you.